In this video, I'm going to show you how to evaluate a definite integral on your TI calculator. So these are the two examples here that I'm going to use. We're going to evaluate the integral from 0 to 6 of the function 3 minus the absolute value of x minus 3. We'll do that one first. To access the function that will help you integrate on the TI calculator, you're going to click on your math button and you're going to scroll down to option number 9 where it says function int for integration. I'm going to hit enter. Then we're going to put in our lower and our upper bounds. So put in 0 to 6. Then in the parentheses, we have to add the function. So I'm going to add 3 minus, and then I got to put in the absolute value of x minus 3. To access your absolute value signs, that's also under the math button. You go under the number menu, and the very first option says ABS for absolute value. Hit enter. Then inside the absolute value, I'm going to hit x minus 3. And now it's very important that you identify the variable that you're integrating with respect to. So make sure that you put in your x there, otherwise this won't work. Once you have everything entered, you can hit the enter button and it will give you your value. This comes out to a nice even 9. If it comes out to a decimal value and you want to try to put it in fraction form, don't forget that you always have that option under the math menu. You can change your answer back to a fraction. And that's if it is a rational number. Okay, the next example, again, we're going to integrate from -2 to 2 of the function square root of 4 minus x squared. So I'm going to hit the math button, and I'm going to scroll down to option number 9 for function integration. I'm going to hit enter, and then I'm going to put in my upper and lower bounds. Make sure you use the negative button and not the subtraction button, otherwise you'll get an error message. So I'm putting in -2 to 2, and I'm doing the square root of 4 minus x squared. And then make sure you put in your variable here, your dx. Hit enter, and it will give you your decimal approximation. Now, if this is a rational number and it can be written as a fraction, we can always ask the calculator to write it as a fraction by going to the math menu, hitting option number 1 for fraction, hitting enter, and if it doesn't change it back into a fraction, then it is not a rational number. So that's how you can evaluate definite integrals on your calculator.